Hey y'all, it's my baby mama. Anyway, no, I'm just playing. Hey y'all, this Jasmine girl, and today I'm doing these long as heck red nails. So if you interested, keep watching it. I'm excited. Alright, so boom, look how long these nails is without the cut down. They giving claws. It's giving talents. It's giving what's that thing called? It's giving whatever you thinking about long. It's giving frequently asked questions. Can I wash my butt? Yes. It's giving frequently asked questions. Can I pick up change? Yes, but it's hard. But anyway, we skipped all the prep and the formalities because it was gonna be super duper long, and I ain't wanted it super duper long. So now it's super long, and not super duper long. Yeah. So anyway, right here, I'm applying the red. Ow! Look at how that. You see how that red McCart just glided on there? That's what we like. We like the glided on there. I'm so excited, y'all. Okay, girls, so let's talk about why I picked the red. I picked the red because 2020 was a crazy year. Not for the, not only for the virus, but like it took a toll on everybody. And 2020 was just not a good year for me. Like, it was good on the outside, but on the inside, in my body, in my brain, in my mind, it was like, girl, no. Get us to 2021. SpaceX, please send me to Mars. Like, yeah. So 2020 was a difficult year for me, girl. So I told myself, we gonna be that lady with the red lipstick. You know them ladies with the red lipsticks be the baddest girls walking. The ladies with the red lipstick, they be like the baddest things walking. Not just looking bad, but like, they be that lady with the click clackety heels with the they be carrying themselves so like how I wanna like that. So he was like, we gonna be the lady with the red lipstick with the red nails, cause older people think that red nails mean like you like promiscuous girl. You're already they think you're promiscuous, but I just like my red nails. So yeah, I just went on a tangent, but it's okay. Anyway, 2020, moral of the story is, I just wanted to be the baddest bee that I can be this year. So that's why I picked the red nail E's. No, I'm just playing. That's why I picked red, because like red is just like so fierce, so raw, so in your face, and I just want to be so in your face, like with everything. I just want to do so good this year. So that's why I picked red. So y'all, like, I need help. I want to do some money nails and some Billie Eilish nails, but money nails can quickly look, how can I say it, tacky, and I don't want it to look tacky. I don't want it to look tacky. I want it to still look classy, but because I'm a classic man. You can be me when you look this clean. I'm a classic man. Anyway, I want it to still look classy, but I don't want it to look nasty. You know, nasty but classy. Fucking bad. Okay, girl, shut up. Anyway, yeah. Then my Billie Eilish nails, I was like, I don't know. I don't really listen to her music. Sorry, I just like her aesthetic. And I seen this doll. I should put a picture up right here. Right there. I saw that and I was like, dang. I like how it look and I want to like recreate it a tiny bit. But I don't know. Then I want to do abstract. I don't know, girl. Shut up, girl. him? Or were you only playing me? And here go the finished product. Oh, and y'all can't tell me these don't give you bomb. Like, cause that's what they give me. They give me bomb. Bomb as heck. Like, oh, they just so bomb. It's so long and sparkly and everything. Like, it's still simple, but it's still nasty, but classy. Freaking beg me. Anyway, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, or whatever the YouTube girlies say. And share this video because you know people like long nails. So share it. It's in the YouTube guidelines, so you gotta do it. Anyway, peace, we all bye. Piece of chicken grease, all that.